In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on rental messages notifications on Zillow. This is a great way to ensure you stay updated with any messages regarding rental properties directly on your account. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. It's the easiest way to get to Zillow quickly. So, in the search bar, type Zillow and hit enter. You should see Zillow, real estate, apartments, mortgages, and home values coming up prominently in the search results. Just go ahead and click on that link to take you straight to Zillow's official homepage. Once you're on the Zillow homepage, you'll need to log into your account. This is as simple as clicking the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your usual credentials, your email address and password, then hit enter to get logged in. It's important to ensure you're accessing the correct account, especially if you manage or track multiple properties. With your account logged in, look for a button or link labeled FX. It might sound a bit unique, but it's essentially a collection of financial and settings options. Clicking on FX will expand the menu options available to you. Here, the next thing you want to do is click on Account Settings. This is where you can manage the different aspects of your Zillow account, from personal information to notification preferences. Now that you're in the Account Settings section, scroll until you find Notifications. This is a crucial step because it'll lead you to the specific area where you can control how and when you get notified about rental messages. Once you've clicked on Notifications, you'll see various options for how you receive updates. Here you will find an option that says something like Push Notifications. To ensure you're receiving these rental messages promptly, toggle the push button to the on position. This simple but crucial action turns on the notifications so you won't miss any important messages. And there you go, you're now all set. You've successfully ensured that any relevant rental messages will be sent directly to your device or through your preferred communication channel. Staying connected this way means you're always in the loop, whether you're inquiring about new rental properties or managing multiple listings. That's all there is to it. It's really that simple to keep up to date with your rental messages on Zillow. We hope you found this guide helpful and thank you for watching. Feel free to explore other settings and features on Zillow that might interest you. If you have any more questions,